Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan, once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. So far we have done the analysis from Aries until Libra for the month of June 2020 and what these signs will face or what probabilities they may face in that coming month in June. Today we will talk about what Scorpio Ascendant natives will face in the month of June 2020. Now for Scorpio Ascendant natives, Mars, which is the Lagna Lord, also rules the 6th house. So wherever Mars is placed, whether in your horoscope or in transit, that shows a lot of emphasis on all those people who have a strong service association in their lives. Because the 6th house is also the house of service related to medical services also, and hence with Lagna Lord Mars, which is the Scorpio sign representative, and Scorpio is also the sign of untoward incidents, mysticism, mysteriousness, including mysterious diseases, or the sign of research, analysis. A lot of times such placements where Mars is strong in the horoscope and is strong in transit gives a impetus to people who are associated with medical line of pharmaceuticals. Mars is transiting through your 4th house, and the 4th Lord Saturn is in its own sign of Capricorn. So this is a very, very strong sign that people who have a practice working out of home, I'm not talking about because of the lockdown people working out of home, that is also strongly emphasized, but it is for those people who have had a regular normal practice working out of home, like lawyers who have a home office or doctors who have a semi-clinic and their residents also combined. For such people and those people who are IT professionals or people who work online, for such people this is a very, very strong sign of people doing very well in the month of June and reaping the benefits of their labor in the month of June, of the hard work that they have put in the last 3 to 4 months. Those people who have not worked out of home earlier but have been forced to work out of home now because of the lockdown, they will also do very well because they have put in the last 2 months a lot of work coming out of home. However, if you have not been doing much and have been more or less forced indoors because of the travel restrictions outside because of the pandemic that we are facing, then too some opportunities will definitely come forward for you in terms of a role change or reorganization at your workplace, because the 6th house Lord Mars is strongly activated and getting connected to the 4th house of Aquarius, which constitutes large organizations. So some of you, if you're working in smaller organizations, by virtue of force of circumstances or opportunities, you may get opportunities to move into large organizations in a different role, in a different capacity, and maybe even with growth. So please look forward to this and keep your fingers crossed and work hard in the month, in this current month, so that you can reap the fruits of labor in the coming month of June. With Saturn, which is the 3rd Lord and the 4th Lord and placed in the 3rd house, means that those people who have been putting in hard work, as I said, 3rd house is also the house of enterprise, self-enterprise and effort, and place there means that people who have put in the hard work so far may continue to do that, but you'll also find a lot of stability in your life. Saturn does not rock the boat a lot, and so you may find that you will have stability both at home as well as at work, and very small changes will happen for most people, especially if Saturn and Jupiter are well placed in your birth horoscopes. So good times, stable results for you, unlike other signs where different results are coming by. So this is a good thing which works in the favor of Scorpio Ascendant natives. One thing which is important for Scorpio natives and as well as for some other signs as well is lot of planets are either transiting through their own signs or in very strong placements. So for example, Venus is transiting through its own sign, the Taurus sign, in the month of June in the 7th house. Venus also represents the 7th house. So for Scorpio natives, very strong association of work getting connected in teamwork or partnership as well as in relationships, especially with 10th Lord Sun transiting through the 7th house. So if you are working in teams, if you are working, or if you are a manager who has teams working under you, so very good placement for you. However, watch out for any female associations at work, because this could be a time where you get into something which will affect your work life also, especially with Venus also ruling your 12th house. So 12th house is the house of waste and excess, and Venus also rules the 12th as well as your 7th house. So it's important for Scorpio natives to see how they handle the other gender, the other sex, and how they go about, especially work related, because work and your relationship or their sexual life is getting connected with Sun and Venus being in conjunction in the 7th house. So keep ethical moral conduct at work, so then everything will be good for you. Those people who are working for female bosses, good time for you, because your female bosses will support you in your work, may even stand by you if there are any changes at work, and may even recommend increment or growth for you. If there are challenges at work, you will find that a female boss may stand by you and defend you and may support you. So this is a good time for those who are working with female managers, female supervisors, or who also work for organizations which are headed by women at the top, like an MD or the CEO of the organization being a woman. So good time for such Scorpio ascendant natives who work for or work under a female boss. With Mercury, which is transiting through your 8th house and also rules the 8th house, and it also rules your 11th house. So 11th house and 8th house association, meaning that if there are any challenges, certain issues or challenges, you will find that your friends or elder sibling may come to your support, and you will also find that you may socialize with friends, and you may go out and you may also work with friends or with your social network. So that is strongly activated for Scorpio ascendant natives. One thing is for sure, that those people who are involved with work related to the 8th house, which is insurance, audits, and agriculture, especially of things which grow underground, or gold, precious metals, granite, stone, quarries, ores, iron ore, all those, they will do very well because of Mercury passing through its strong sign in the 8th house. And Mercury also represents business, Mercury represents data analysis. So good sign for them overall. However, make sure that you don't take any sudden decisions related to joint property, joint assets, because that could run into rough weather over a period of time. So as long as you are taking care of that, all good. If you have been in a relationship which you have kept hidden with somebody from your social network, that will come out and that may be exposed. So know how to handle it, and to traverse that tricky path that you have been on if you are involved in such a association. So friends, this is my analysis for Scorpio ascendant natives for the month of June 2020. Please like this video, please share this video, and please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new video is coming. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for a personal consultation from me, please reach out to me at the links given below. Until we meet some other time, this is your friend, astrologer and guide Irfan, signing off. Ciao.